Okay, so very exciting one today. I've just had this parcel delivered. It's an armrest for the Ford. Been wanting one for ages. So I picked this one up off of eBay. And yeah, without further ado, let's get the box opened and see what it looks like. I haven't gone for the cream, obviously. I've gone for the black leather to match the interior. Now I've just popped the camera down for a minute so we can open this box up. Okay. Oh man, it's got polystyrene. It's gonna make a mess. Alright, let's just get it out. It's the first bit. I think this is the bit that slots down into the base of it. And it's got this, which I think is like an adjuster, and I think this is where you also screw it down. And then this is the actual main piece. Looks quite nice actually. Nice leather. Try and open this without getting polystyrene everywhere, shall we? You have to rip it open. Tape off. Just using the flathead to open it. Didn't want to look around for my knife, so I just found the screwdriver. But it does the job. Right, let's move this polystyrene out of the way, because that is messy. Yeah, check that out. Actually looks really smart. Nice chrome. And then nice, it's actually quite a nice padded leather. Looks really nice actually. That acts as a cup holder as well, I believe. I saw in the pictures. Well, actually doesn't look too bad. It opens up. It's actually quite big in there. And you've got that compartment too. To put your smaller stuff. Oh, there you are. There's screws there. That's handy. That's actually really nice. I like that. What else we got in the box? Things, instructions, and some sticky pads, I think, to help. I don't know if it's for soundproofing or help. But I stick it down. Just rip them off. And the instructions. So let's have a little look then. Okay, it's double. There's different types. There's one if your car looks like that, and one if you've just got the car looking like that, which we do. Okay, I'm just gonna have a little look around for a minute, probably clear out the mess, and then let's get to installing it. Right, I've tried putting the camera in the best position possible whilst I try and fit this, but it's pretty easy enough actually. So this is the bit that just slides into here. Putting the camera down a little bit so you can see. So that bit there, that just slides in, but before it stays in permanently, you get these black sticky pads. And you just stick a couple on the sides. So it's pretty snug fit anyway. I think it just helps stick it there, and it wedges it in as well, so it doesn't come loose. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Yeah, like that. We do a couple. Why not, eh? They supply loads, so. Chuck it on the sides. Don't know if I'll do the back. Yeah, it goes that way. Oh yeah, that wedges it in, or actually already I can feel that. I'm gonna put one on the front. Like so. Wedge it in, push it down all the way. And to be honest, hey, I was shaking it to test it was snug and I dropped the camera. Yeah, so I put three of them on, and it's pretty snug, to be honest. Like, it's not going to go anywhere. Obviously, if you yank it, you'll pull it back out, but all you're going to be doing is resting your arm on it. So that's pretty good. And then all we need to do is get this, sit that on top like so, and then screw it down with these 4 holes. And then that, basically, that there, just slides onto these screws. So you've got them under there, clips on. It's pretty easy, actually, very easy to assemble. Alright, let's get to it then. I've popped you over here now. Hopefully it's a bit better camera angle. Right, so let's get the screws. You only need a posi screwdriver, Phillips, whatever you call them. I believe I'll line this up correctly. Pull it forward like that, and then you've got these little clips. It just goes down in the back, just so it stops it sliding back out that way. So just push them in. And then you can just adjust it to how you want. That slides forward. That opens up, cup holder. Let's grab you now and do you a proper view of it. And here's a close-up of the armrest. I think it looks really nice, actually. It looks really smart. This fits in quite nice as well. You see where it just curves around the trim? Fits really nice. Looks, modern, nice chrome. Nice padding on the leather as well. Cup holder, it's quite cool. Now I've pulled this back a bit so it's not in the way of the cup holder that's there as well. But you can easily adjust this, slide it back and forth, depending on your comfort level. And then let's have a look inside. We've got a little tray here for bits and bobs. It's magnetic to that metal there, so it shuts nicely. And then it's quite big inside as well. So we can put a few bits and bobs in there, like the music adapter and such, and little froggy. Even the pound to go in the trolleys at the supermarkets. Could even put the sunglasses in, perhaps. Yeah, just tidies that up now as well. Try and zoom out a bit more so you can see, but yeah, I think it looks really smart. Good addition to the Focus. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.